Hi, welcome back. Welcome back to day 7 of gratitude journaling. So today I'm going to journal about friendship, write a few words. So I don't know if you guys were in my live stream yesterday, but I got the most amazing Happy Meal package from Rosie at Creative Wings, and I'll put the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. You guys should go check her out. She's so talented. Anyway, she sent me the most amazing Happy Meal. And for those of you that know, I'm a recycled mixed media artist, and I really need very little, and I use very little, and I don't want anyone to ever feel like they have to send me anything, because I know that, for all of us, art is subjective, but I try to use as many recycled bits and pieces as I can. So she sent me some amazing things. I'm going to use that in my art journaling today. But the other thing I want to talk about is the real friendships that are happening in this virtual world. So, I'm just a regular person with a regular life and a regular, my stuff may seem like a little ridiculous to most people, and it's sometimes ridiculous to me. I'm not gonna lie there. But, I'm just a mom of some kids and, have a life, and I happen to live in Hawaii and, go through everything like all the rest of you. And I can't tell you how much this whole YouTube art, YouTube journaling, YouTube art sharing has opened up a lot of different things for me. It's made my life a fuller place. It's not always easy, because I'm just a regular person. So, I have like regular stuff like everybody else does, and I don't always, maybe I don't always respond, or maybe my videos aren't always as flashy, or I don't have the best supplies like everyone else does. But I think I try to be true to myself. And I've shared with you guys before that I meditate all the time, and that I ask all the time, basically almost every day I ask, am I done yet? Because this is not my comfort zone. Being with all of you it's not my comfort zone. It's not, I live sort of a hermited life, and I enjoy that. But finding all of you and these friendships that have developed are very real for me. And I know they are for all of you. And it just makes me realize how connected we all are. Like, it's not, you don't have to buy the next best product, or you don't have to have the next best car or the next best whatever in order to have a real, genuine connection with people. And the way that we create friendships now is not the same way that our parents or that others have created friendships in the past. It just isn't. The reality of a virtual world is real, but the connections and the heart and the energy is so much deeper than I think any of us ever imagined. So I'm gonna journal about that. So the little blue papers came from my friend Tammy. And Tammy, if you're watching, thank you so much. She sent me some Happy Meal like last year, and it had this beautiful handmade blue paper in it. And this is Rosie's original art, and I want to just talk a little bit about friendship. I do, for those of you that come and hang out with me during my live streams, I feel your energy. And for those of you that delve into the world of spirituality with me, I appreciate it. It's real. It's not, we often think that this virtual thing may not be as real as we can imagine, but it really is. It's realer than we know. I was watching one of my favorite YouTube artists today, and he was talking about how he was really sad that somebody that he'd met through YouTube had passed away, and how it really affected him. And this person was a really, really close friend, and I've never met him in person, but the energy that they shared was so present and so, for him, meaningful and real. So I just want to say thank you to all of you. I want to say thank you for being my peeps. I want to say thank you for going on my recycling trash art journey with me. I want to say thank you to Rosie from Creative Wings for thinking of me and sending me her beautiful artwork that I can put in my journal. And I want to say thank you to my friend Tammy who made me the blue papers that I have behind, put behind the pieces. But more than anything, I want to thank you for the energy and the love that you're willing to share. I mean, we really are one. We really are all one. We just live in an illusion where we feel like we're not. And it's not about the things. It's about the connections that we make, the really true, deep connections. And I feel that with each and every one of you. So I'm going to write about that. This one's going to be called Beyond Words. Guys, my journal's not perfect. It's falling apart here a little bit here. This is what happens when you, my desk is so overwhelmed from my extravaganza from yesterday. My painting extravaganza on my live stream. So it's called Beyond Words. Okay, today's journaling post, Friendship Beyond Words. Oneness is real. I feel it in every comment and interaction with each of you. I think this is how peace will happen in our lifetime. One connection to another, one well wish, one prayer, one kind thought bring us closer to peace. Peace in me, peace in you, peace, love, and light, oneness. I hope you guys join me on this journey of gratitude journaling. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you in my life. Thank you for being here on this journey with me. Thank you for hanging out with me in my live streams. Thank you for being my tribe, being my peeps, navigating this world with me. Take a moment, breathe in, exhale. This is real. The connection is real. Definitely beyond words. And as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha. Until tomorrow.